Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain the lead code problem number 1925. Count square sum triplets. Okay, count square sum triplets. A square triplet A, B, C is a triple where A, B and C are integers. Okay, and A square plus B square equals to C square. Okay, and given an integer n, return the number of square triplets such that one is less than equals to a, b, c and less than equals to n. ओके, सो ये कंडीशन दी गई है कि जो हमारा a, b, c हैं वो 1 और 9 के रेंज में होने चाहिए. ओके, सो वी हैव गिवन दैट दिस इक्वेशन दैट वी हैव गिवन इक्वेशन. मैं यहाँ पर आपको इक्वेशन लिख के दिखाती हूँ कि हमको इक्वेशन क्या दी गई है. ठीक है, ओके, वी हैव गिवन दैट इक्वेशन ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू सी स्क्वायर. ओके, सो हमको ये इक्वेशन दी गई है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट triplets, count of triplets between 1 to n range. Okay, just wait a minute, I will explain the question. Okay, so this equation we have to condition we have given. Okay, and our input is n equals to 5. Okay, सो इनपुट हमको ये दिया गया है n इक्वल्स टू 5. सो हमको 1 से लेके n इक्वल्स टू 5 के बीच में निकालना है टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रिपलेट्स. ओके, सो बिटवीन 1 to n, बिटवीन 1 to n यानी 5, बिटवीन 1 to 5, बिटवीन 1 to 5 हमारे पास कौन से ट्रिपलेट हो सकते हैं. देखिए 3, 4, 5 ये हमारे पास हो सकते हैं. मैं पेन की विड्थ थोड़ी कम करूँ, इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ही है. ओके, हाँ हो गई. 3, 4 एंड 5. ओके, दिस इज़ वन ट्रिपलेट. ओके, एंड इसमें क्वेश्चन में साफ साफ दिया गया है कि ट्रिपलेट्स जो a, b, c हैं, the number can be same but the arrangement can be different. Means the triplet, this is one triplet and another triplet can be 3, 4, let's change the arrangement of 3, 4. हम लोग इसको रीअरेंज कर देंगे तो हमारे पास एक दूसरा ट्रिपलेट आ जाएगा बट द नंबर इज सेम. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रिपलेट्स बिटवीन 1 to 5 इज 2. ओके, सो दिस इज द आउटपुट 2. ओके, सो हम लोग कैसे लगाएंगे, जस्ट ब्रूट फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे. देखिए कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे. सबसे पहले एक हम लोग आई पॉइंटर लेंगे. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, एक हम लोग एरे बना लेंगे, उसमें 1 to 1 से लेके 5 तक की सारे नंबर को स्टोर करेंगे. यानी हम लोग एक एरे बना लेंगे n+1 साइज़ का. ओके, फर्स्टली मेक द एरे ऑफ 1 + n साइज. मेक एरे ऑफ n+1 साइज, n+1 साइज. ओके, एंड make array of n+1 size and store the square of the value. Okay, square of the number, like here you can store 1 square, 2 square यानी 4, 3 square यानी 9, 5 square यानी 4 square यानी 16. ओके, सो आप एक एरे बना लेंगे स्क्वायर करके, स्क्वायर नाम का. ठीक है, एंड देन यू हैव टू आइटरेट ओवर दैट स्क्वायर एरे फ्रॉम आई टू एन। ओके, यहाँ से आई से आप स्टार्ट करेंगे, फिर एक दूसरा लूप आप स्टार्ट करेंगे फ्रॉम जे इज इक्वल्स टू आई प्लस वन, फ्रॉम j equals to I plus 1 to n. Okay, now we have to find that number which is equals to a square plus b square in that array. Okay, means if our I is here and j is here, then then a equals to 1 and b is equals to 4, then we have to find c square. Okay, means a square is that, a square this, and b square I'm writing here. Okay, a square equals to 1, okay, and b square is equal to 4. Now we have to find the c square. Okay, we have to find c square. So how we can find c square? As we know that this square array is sorted array. Okay, you can see that because we store the numbers from 1 to n in the increasing order. Okay, so this is already sorted array. So on sorted array we can apply the binary search. If we apply linear search, then then our time complexity will be O of n cube. Okay, O of n cube. Okay, of n cube. Okay, but if you apply the if you apply binary search, then our time complexity will be O of n square log n. Okay, so here we apply the binary search on this array on this array, and you know very well binary search, we found that a square plus b square, our target is a square plus b square, and means our target is 5. We have to find 5. We have to find in 5 in the square array. Okay, if we found square array, then we count triplet as 1. Okay, and I have told you that if we get one triplet, then there is one more triplet of the same number, but the arrangement is different. So we will count every triplet as 2. Okay, count every triplet as 2 because it gives same number of it gives same number, but the triplet is different because of arrangement is different of numbers. Okay, so we will count single triplet as 2. Okay, means if we got triplet, then we count as 2. Okay, because the possibility is 3, 4, 5 is also 4, 3, 5. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, let's write code. Okay, I write code already. Okay, I am showing you. Okay, you can see here. I will be zoom in. Okay, now you can see here. Firstly, I take the square array of size n plus 1. Okay, square array, and store the square value of each number. Okay, each number, and I iterate the for loop from I equals to 1 to I less than equals to n. Okay, and take count equals to 0. Okay, and I iterate one for loop from I equals to 1 to I less than equals to n, then j is equals to I plus 1, j less than equals to n, and we have to find the target as square I plus square j, yani I का square and j का square की value we have to find that target. Okay, if we get that target, then we count as count plus plus. Okay, and I say that I told you that we get one triplet. If we get one triplet like 3, 4, 5, then its arrangement after rearrangement of this, we will get 4, 3, 5 also. So means we get two triplets of one count. For one a comma b comma c, one count of a comma c, we get two triplets. Okay, so I return count multiply by 2. Okay, either you can increment 2 here, or you can return count multiply by 2. Okay, and write here binary search. I write over there, and you know very well about binary search. Okay, we will take low and high, and we will execute this while loop from low less than equals to high, and we defined mid and find that target. Okay, if we got, then return true. If we didn't get, then return false. Okay, so this is how this question solved. Okay, I hope you understand. So firstly I have to run it, after that I wind up. Okay, submit. Okay, it works. Okay, I hope you understood. If you got any doubt, any question, then please comment down. Okay, I will try to solve this question, solve your problem. Okay, thank you.